Welcome to Exam Sale, where we'll be discussing the VMware Specialist SAN 6X exam. This exam is designed to test your skills and knowledge in implementing and managing SAN 6X. In this video, we'll be breaking down the exam domains and highlighting key topics. The VMware Specialist SAN 6X exam is divided into 7 domains, with each domain weighted to ensure you're adequately tested on the necessary skills. The domains include capacity management at 20%, operations and troubleshooting at 15%, performance and optimization at 15%, dashboards, reports, and widgets at 15%, policies, customization, and alerts at 15%, architecture and infrastructure at 10%, and installation, configuration, and setup at 10%. Let's start with Domain 1, Capacity Management. In this domain, you will be tested on predictive analytics, resource reclamation, and what-if scenario planning. You will need to understand how to analyze time remaining and capacity remaining metrics, configure capacity buffers and overcommit ratios, and evaluate historical peak usage for projection. In Domain 1, you'll also learn about workload planning and what-if analysis. This includes executing what-if scenarios for workload additions, simulating hardware procurement and infrastructure expansion, and analyzing the impact of host failures on capacity. You'll also need to understand how to manage project-based capacity reservations and compare costs across different cloud providers in scenarios. Moving on to Domain 2, Operations and Troubleshooting. This domain focuses on identifying root causes, health monitoring, and issue remediation. You'll need to know how to monitor system health, troubleshoot collector group connectivity issues, and analyze internal system audit logs. In Domain 2, you'll also learn about root cause analysis and troubleshooting. This includes utilizing the troubleshooting workbench for metric correlation, analyzing parent-child object relationships for fault isolation, and interpreting anomalous metric behavior with dynamic thresholds. Next up is Domain 3, Performance and Optimization. This domain is all about workload placement, right-sizing, and infrastructure performance tuning. You'll need to understand how to configure operational intent for cluster placement, automate workload balancing across clusters, and analyze contention metrics for CPU and memory. In Domain 3, you'll also learn about right-sizing virtual machines. This includes identifying oversized VMs and resource waste, detecting undersized VMs causing performance degradation, and applying right-sizing recommendations via vCenter actions. Domain 4, Dashboards, Reports, and Widgets is all about data visualization, reporting, and custom dashboard construction. You'll need to know how to design dashboards with the drag-and-drop canvas, configure widget interactions and data flow, and use heat maps for multidimensional data visualization. In Domain 4, you'll also learn about reporting and distribution. This includes generating custom reports from dashboard views, scheduling report generation and email delivery, and customizing report templates with specific views.